Recently, the tool catch button on my Dyson vacuum hose broke off, which means that attachments can no longer lock on. Without it, tools can slip right off. And here you can see why. One of the little tabs broke off on the side, so this part just came out. And under the button, this spring also fell out. If you still have the spring, keep it in a safe place because you'll still need it. To fix this, I had to get a brand new tool catch button. And here's what I got. This is a genuine Dyson part, and I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. And remember when I said to keep the spring? Well, this tool catch button doesn't even come with a new spring, so if you're missing it, you'll have to order one of those also. To install the tool catch button, first set the spring in place. Then slip the tool catch into the opening and slip one of the side tabs into a hole on the side. This is going to be a very tight fit, and you're going to have to put some pressure on the other side to push the other tab into the hole on the other side. It's going to have a hard click when it goes in, but that's all you have to do. Now I can slip my tools on and securely attach the hose. Here I'm repairing my DC25 Animal, but the tool catch does work on other models. I've also listed the spring in the description in case you need one of those too. It's a simple fix, but in my opinion, these parts cost way too much. But if you gotta fix it, you have to buy one of these buttons and maybe the spring as well. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.